Mastering polite requests in English. Can I have a snack? Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson where we'll dive into the polite phrase, "Can I have a snack?" This simple question is a fantastic way to practice asking for something politely in English. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your language skills, understanding how to make polite requests is crucial. So, let's get started. The phrase, "Can I have a snack?" is a polite request used when someone is asking for a small portion of food between meals. It's composed of a few key components. Can I is a modal verb phrase used to ask for permission or make a request in a polite way. Have indicates the action of receiving or taking something. A snack refers to a small amount of food that's usually eaten between regular meals. Together, these elements form a polite question that can be used in various situations, whether you're at home, with friends, or in any casual setting. When making requests in English, politeness is key. It shows respect for the person you're speaking to and helps in creating a positive interaction. By using phrases like, "Can I have a snack?" instead of directly demanding, "Give me a snack," you're more likely to receive a positive response. This section highlights the importance of using modal verbs like can to soften requests, the role of tone and body language in conveying politeness, cultural nuances in making polite requests in English-speaking countries. Understanding different ways to ask for the same thing can enrich your English communication skills. Here, we'll explore variations of the phrase, "May I have a snack?" A slightly more formal alternative, "Could I possibly have a snack?" adding a touch of extra politeness. We'll also cover common responses you might receive, such as, "Sure, go ahead, I'm sorry, but we're about to have dinner. Yes, what would you like?" Learning these variations and possible responses prepares you for real-life conversations and helps you adapt to different situations. That's all for today's lesson on making polite requests with the phrase, "Can I have a snack?" We hope you found this video helpful and that you're now more comfortable using this phrase in your daily English conversations. Remember, practicing politeness not only improves your language skills but also helps in building better relationships. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.